Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is Sadia Naseem, your botany teacher from Behria Foundation College, Nusheiro Firoz. Students, we were discussing about the carbohydrates. In my previous lectures, I gave you a brief introduction of carbohydrates, their benefits, their general formula. Today we are going to discuss the classification or types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are three major classes: monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. So let's discuss each class step by step. First of all, we are going to discuss the monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are also called the simple sugar. Why they are called simple sugar? Because they can't be broken into further smaller monomers. Okay, they are simple sugar. General formula for monosaccharide is CnH2n and ON. So carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are in ratio 1:2:1. They are crystalline solids. Their taste is sweet. Monosaccharides are sweet in taste. They are mostly found in fruits or other edible things. Okay, mostly monosaccharides are mostly found in the fruits. Okay, now classification. We classify monosaccharide on the base of carbon number. Here I told you the general formula of monosaccharide: Cn, H2n and On. If the carbon number is 1, it will be monosaccharide. If carbon number will be 3, so let's start from carbon number 3. C3, how much H will be? 2n, double of 3 is 6, oxygen will be 3. It is triose. If carbon number is 4, like C4, H8, O4, it is tetrose. If carbon number will be 5, it will be pentose. Then hexose, heptose. Understand? Hexose has carbon number 6, 6,6H12O6, like glucose. Heptose C7, H14 and O7. You got my point? So we classify the monosaccharides by their carbon number. Common examples of the carbon, it is glucose, fructose or galactose. They are the common examples of monosaccharides. You understand the monosaccharide? So let's start the second class, that is oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharide. Oligo is the Greek word. Oligo means few. Oligo is a Greek word. Oligo stands for the word few. And saccharide means carbohydrates. So oligosaccharide is that group of carbohydrate which contains few monomers, which yield 2 to 10 monosaccharides. Okay, from 2 to 10 monosaccharides. Most common oligosaccharides are disaccharide. Disaccharide contains 2 monosaccharides. Okay, the monosaccharide which contain two monosaccharides, they are known as disaccharide. Carbohydrate molecules, they are most common and abundant carbohydrates. Disaccharides, oligosaccharides which contain 3 to 10 monosaccharides are commonly known as dextrin. Okay, disaccharide is the carbohydrate which contain only 2 monosaccharides, and the oligosaccharides which contain 3 to 10 number of monosaccharides, they are commonly known as dextrins. What they are called? Dextrin. So let's see some common examples of the oligosaccharides. Example 1 is glucose plus fructose. Glucose is one monosaccharide, fructose is another monosaccharide. When they both combine, a peptide linkage is formed in between them and sucrose is formed, and one molecule of water is eliminated. Glucose plus galactose give us lactose. Glucose plus fructose, it gives us maltose. Okay, it was our second class, which is oligosaccharide. Our third class is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are high molecular weight carbohydrates. They have more than 10 carbohydrates. This number of carbohydrates may reach up to hundreds or thousands. They are higher molecular weight. Their formation is very complicated. Mostly they are formed by the union of the monosaccharide. They are formed by the union of thousands of monosaccharides, 100 to thousands of monosaccharides. Okay. Some common examples are starch, cellulose or glycogen. Now let's discuss the function of carbohydrates or importance of carbohydrates for our body or for other living things. Carbohydrate is the quick source of energy. It provides quick and urgent energy. Second function is the cellulose is a carbohydrate which is the major component of plant cell wall. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay. Third most important function of carbohydrate is food storage. It stores food. The stored food in fruits and vegetables is in the form of carbohydrates. Chitin is exoskeleton. Chitin makes the exoskeleton. As we know, there are some animals which have exoskeleton. There are two types of skeleton, endoskeleton and exoskeleton. The skeleton which is inside the body is known as endoskeleton. But all the insects, arthropods, they have the skeleton outside their body. And this skeleton is known as exoskeleton. Now what's your homework? You have to read the topic very carefully from your book and you will make your own notes. Notes should be very neat, clean and very attractive. And send me my WhatsApp group. I am waiting for your homework. Allah Hafiz.